ready for the log flume? It's the first time. Elena's first time on the log jam. Yes? Uh-oh! Alright, be cool. Very nice. Relaxing day. Alright, nice and easy. Slow down, slow. Whoa. Whoa. Easy, easy. Oh. It's a little fast. Alright, let's go a little slower. We don't need to disturb the water. Ow. Oh. Alright, I got a little wet. Alright, come on. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down.
And brace for a sudden slowdown at the bottom of the hill.
Alright.
Thank you.
Alright, easy right here. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, there we go. Nice and easy.
Please sit upright. Hold on tight.
Oh.
And brace for a sudden slowdown at the bottom of the hill. Thank you.
Let's do it. This is a big one, baby.
Sujétense bien fuerte para una caída repentina que se detendrá en el fondo de la colina. Gracias.
There's Tigers. Alright. Oh, yeah, this is the big one, alright. Let's do it! Ah! Oh! Ay! Ah! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh. I got wet. Oh, that's no good.